YouTube, what's going on? Soul Review Kicks here. Back with a part 3 or part 1, depending on if you've seen any of the other videos of the Supreme haul over the weekend. Let's get into it. As you see, typical packaging once again. Supreme stickers, we've seen it all before. I'm starting to have a gigantic collection of these stickers, but let's check it out. Supreme box once again, packaging, glossy Nike, black, subtle hit. We got Air Force One Low SP. This time it's white. Okay. Look at the bottom of the box. Still no Supreme logos on the bottom. All right. Let's open these bad boys up. Supreme paper, Nike paper. Alright. Ooh. Oh, okay. I really like these more. Something about a white shoe. Quick little look. Okay, we have yet again another date code on there. What you guys doing? Check that out. YCM sticker and nothing else. The box looks like it's the same one as the black one. 320 by 200 by 110. Nothing special there. All right. Do you see them? White Supreme Air Force One lows. See the red Supreme hit on the side. Nice. Clean leather. I like these. Check out that stitching. Premium leather, I'm telling you. It's got a great feel to it, real sturdy, but it still has, you know, elasticity to it or what have you. A white Nike logo. Supreme Air Force One hit. Stitching. Impeccable, wow. Take a look at the bottom. And this one also did come with red and white laces. As you see, this time, size tag is on the bottom, covering up the Air logo. Let's take a look inside. Shoe tree. As you see, QA 7R. That's the logo. Nothing on the inside. Man, this tongue is no joke. This tongue is solid. There is no bend to that. Let's take a look at the Supreme hit in white. Inside tag, pretty stiff, let me tell you. I'm scared to bend it. Alright, let's get the insole out. Of course, it's going to be white. Okay. Now this bad boy was sticky. Now we can get some writing on this, but it looks like AFC1 QA 7H. I'm sure you get the point. take a look at the inside. White stitching. The black ones had yellow stitching. I should have did this one with red. Would have been real nice. Yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. Just wanted to show these real quick. Supreme Low Nike Air Force Ones, you know. Nice little hits. Simple, great summer shoe, spring shoe. Yeah, if you liked the video, comment, like, subscribe.